Hello everyone, this is Anna, your English teacher and host.
And hello friends, this is Mark, your English teacher and co-host.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy. Welcome to our English learning podcast.
Today is a very special lesson.
Very special and very easy.
Our lesson title is very important.
Yes, very important for beginners.
Stop translating, train your brain to think and speak in English.
Many English students have one big problem.
They think in their own language first.
Then they translate in their head.
Then they speak English.
And this is slow.
Very slow.
Today we help you stop translating.
Today, we help you think in English.
Do not worry.
We go slowly.
Very slow.
Very clear.
This lesson is for absolute beginners.
If you are new to English, this lesson is for you.
Relax.
Smile.
Take a deep breath.
Are you ready?
Let's start.
Friends, before we begin, write in the comments.
Do you translate in your head now?
Write yes or no.
Okay, let's begin with very easy English.
First word. Very easy.
Please repeat after me. Hello.
Again. Hello.
Now you try. Say hello.
Very good.
Good job.
Next word.
Please repeat after me.
Again. I.
Now you say it.
Nice.
Next word.
Please repeat after me. Am.
Again. Am.
Now you say it.
Very good.
Now listen carefully.
Hello, I am Anna.
Repeat after Anna. Hello, I am Anna.
Good.
Repeat after Mark.
Hello, I am Mark.
Repeat after Mark.
Now you try.
Say, hello, I am.
Say your name.
Excellent.
You are speaking English.
Now listen carefully.
Do not translate.
You see a person.
Think with pictures.
You say, hello.
You smile.
Now, the next sentence.
This is thinking in English.
Again, how are you?
Please repeat after me. How are you?
Good.
Now you say it.
Please repeat after me. I am fine.
Answer the sentence.
Please repeat after me. I am fine.
Again, I am fine.
Now you say it.
Nice.
Now practice together. How are you?
I am fine.
Again, how are you?
I am fine. Now you speak.
Say it out loud.
Great job.
Mini quiz time.
Question 1.
What do you say first?
How are you? B. Hello.
The answer is
Hello.
very good.
Question 2.
I say, how are you?
What do you say?
The answer is I am fine.
Excellent.
Now write in the comments.
Can you say, hello, how are you?
Now daily English.
Please repeat after me. Good morning.
Again, good morning.
Now you say it.
Nice.
Listen.
I wake up.
I smile.
I say, good morning.
No translation.
Just English.
Now polite words.
Please repeat after me. Please.
Again, please.
Now you say it.
Good.
Please repeat after me. Thank you.
Again, thank you.
Now you say it.
Nice.
Example time.
I go to a cafe.
I say, coffee, please.
Then I say, thank you.
Now you try.
Say, please.
Say, thank you.
Mini quiz.
You get help.
What do you say?
The answer is, thank you.
Very good.
Now thinking practice.
Look around you.
Say objects in English.
Chair.
Table.
Phone.
No translation.
Just English.
Short conversation.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Mark.
How are you?
I am good.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Now you speak with us.
Say it out loud.
Great job.
Remember,
Mistakes are okay.
we all make mistakes.
Practice every day.
Small English every day.
English is easy.
You are doing great.
We are proud of you.
Your homework.
Say hello to one person today.
Say thank you one time in English.
That is all.
If you like this lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to our channel.
Share with a friend who is learning English.
Keep thinking in English.
This is Anna. Goodbye.
This is Mark. Goodbye.